Welcome to Ronda, one of the most picturesque and historic towns in the Andalusian region of southern Spain. With its stunning natural scenery, rich cultural heritage, and charming old-world ambience, Ronda is a destination that truly captures the essence of traditional Andalusian culture. Perched atop a deep gorge that separates the town into two parts, Ronda is a town that is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Its narrow cobblestone streets are lined with traditional whitewashed houses and charming outdoor cafes, while its historic landmarks, such as the famous Puente Nuevo bridge and the Plaza de Toros bullring, have been drawing visitors for centuries. In this travel guide, we will take you on a tour of the top places to see and experience the stunning beauty of Ronda. From the most picturesque viewpoints to the most iconic landmarks, we will show you the best that this charming Andalusian town has to offer. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the most beautiful views and landmarks of Ronda, Spain. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more. You can also click the Spain Places playlist link in the description below to learn more about this amazing country. The Puente Nuevo bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks in Ronda, and it's not hard to see why. This stunning structure spans a deep gorge that separates the town into two parts, and it offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The bridge was completed in 1793, after nearly 40 years of construction, and it remains an impressive feat of engineering to this day. The bridge is made of stone, and it stretches over 100 meters across the gorge, rising to a height of more than 120 meters above the river below. One of the best ways to experience the beauty of the Puente Nuevo bridge is to walk across it. From the center of the bridge, you'll be able to take in panoramic views of the town, the gorge, and the rolling hills beyond. There are also several viewpoints along the bridge where you can stop and take photos or simply admire the stunning scenery. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even hike down to the bottom of the gorge to get a closer look at the bridge. There are several trails that lead down to the river, and from there you can look up at the bridge and see just how impressive it really is. Overall, the Puente Nuevo bridge is a must-see landmark in Ronda. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply someone who loves stunning views, this iconic bridge is sure to leave a lasting impression. Plaza de Toros. Next up is the Plaza de Toros, one of the oldest and most historic bullrings in Spain. Built in the late 18th century, this bullring has hosted some of the most famous bullfights in Spanish history. From the top of the bullring, you can enjoy a stunning panoramic view of the surrounding landscape and the Puente Nuevo bridge. Mirador de Ronda. For a breathtaking view of Ronda's historic town center and the surrounding countryside, be sure to visit the Mirador de Ronda. This viewpoint is located at the top of a hill and offers a stunning view of the city's most iconic landmarks, including the Puente Nuevo bridge and the historic bullring. Alameda del Tajo. If you're looking for a peaceful and picturesque spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of Ronda, we recommend visiting the Alameda del Tajo. This park is located on the edge of the Tajo Gorge and offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and countryside. That concludes our tour of Ronda's most beautiful views and landmarks. From the Puente Nuevo bridge to the Plaza de Toros and the Mirador de Ronda, Ronda is a town that offers some of the most breathtaking natural scenery and viewpoints in Spain. We hope you enjoyed this travel guide and that it has inspired you to visit Ronda on your next trip to Spain. Hope this list helps you organize the perfect trip to Ronda. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.